Hello, Professor. My name is Sawan Patel, and today I'm going to talk about my assignment one. And for that, I I selected the data of the retail e-commerce sales by the day from the government of Canada official website. So I downloaded the data set into English and I put that in the Excel sheet. So here is my presentation. Here I'm going to put my all the work after I finished my all of the chart and data sets. So here is my raw data, and after I clean some data which I required into this assignment. So I clean some data and I I'm going to create some chart in the Power BI through this data set. So I already put that data set into the Power BI. So in the Power BI here I'm going to select date and the values for this. No, what is this one? And here I'm going to select the line chart, and from here I'm going to select the date. So I get the perfect result, and after here from here I select the forecast. In the forecast I think I will get the data for the 3 years to predict. Okay, so I got the data. I'm going to close the fill now. So here is I got the data value by the value of the retail sales by the date. So here I'm going to change the title. Which is retail trade by the value. So I added the title here. Next I'm going into Tableau. In the Tableau I selected a Superstore database, and from here I selected date into my columns and as a sales and a product in my row, and for this one I selected line chart again, and from here I added some forecast by forecasting option, and I select exactly 3 years for my first data chart. For my second data chart I selected the profit. In my first one I selected the sales, and in my second one I selected the profit by the date. So here I selected this chart, and after that I created the dashboard. So in my dashboard I put my both chart. First is the total sales by the date, and the second is the total profit by date. And uh, I created the query so it's looks by the I'm going to select the different data set, and it's changing on the second as well, like this. So yeah, that's it for my assignment one, and after I will take some screenshot and put in my this PPT, and that's all. Thank you, sir.